Ruhonge rwa riera rugite mbura iria irathii na mbere na kura ni guthii na mbere nginya mweri wa gatandatu mwaka uyu. Riria gwakorwo na mwaraho wa mai mothe matukanaga matheru na macioro, na nikio mirimu iria yumanaga na mai ma giko itumukite. Umwe wa mirimu teno ni murimu wa kolera. Murwaru wa kolera haragwo gatema na angiaga kurigitwo no atorio ni murimu kana nginya gukua.
It is unfortunate that we have also lost a total of 13 Kenyans from this cholera outbreak. 12 of them in Marsabit and 1 in Turkana.
Riria kolera yatumuka, gicunji kinene kia aria matoragio ni ciana nini.
And sadly, 70% of the deaths too have been among children aged 10 years and below. May God comfort the bereaved families and rest in peace the souls of the departed.
Kaunti iria igomeirwo ni kolera bururi-ini ni Wajir, Turkana, Murang'a, Marsabit na Garissa. Iria itoretio muno ni Marsabit na Turkana, na thirikari irenda gutigirira murimu uyu ni wahuranwo naguo.
The other reported cases in Garissa 48, Wajir 4 and Murang'a 8 have all been controlled. We are working closely with the county governments of Marsabit and Turkana and hope that this is fully contained over the next few weeks. At least the next 2 weeks.
Riri bururi urahurana na COVID-19, murimu wa kolera ungiaga kuhuranwo naguo no utume COVID-19 itabe makiria, tondu aria mari na mirimu ingi ni matoragio na ihenya ni COVID-19.
The collaboration of the public health teams from the local county governments and the Ministry of Health is working to control the reported 550 cases, out of which 268 are in Marsabit, while 222 in Turkana County.
Njira njega muno ya kurigiriria kolera gutamba ni gutherukia mai ma kunywa, gwithamba moko mbere ya kuria, guthambia matunda mbere ya kumaria, na gukunika irio wega riria ciahĩa. Imwe cia dalili iria nene cia murimu wa kolera ni kuharwo gatema na gutahika. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Muriuki wa Muchoki.